Hey everyone, today I'm just going to show you how to make some happy mail or merry mail, however you want to say it, just to brighten someone's day. It's going to be really simple and easy, and you can do this with any age group of children. All I'm going to do today is I have a piece of cardstock that I have fitted. You want to make sure whatever paper you use that it fits into whatever size envelope that you have at home as well. So if you just have a regular envelope, you want to make sure that you have your card size to fit that. I just had some tempera paint at home. I'm just going to start by putting a little paint. And today I'm going to make a flower. I actually have a friend's birthday that is coming up at the end of the month, so I might use this card to send to her for her birthday instead of going out and spending $4 on a birthday card. It'll mean a little something more to her. It says that it's coming from the heart. Maybe you have a grandparent that you haven't been able to go see and you want to send them a card. So all I'm doing is I painted my thumb, and right now I'm just making the stem of a flower. So you can paint your child's thumb and just press it on, and that's why I said this could be done at with any age. Really cool things that you can do. You can paint your child's hands and make a little butterfly out of it. You can do someone's foot and make a flower out of their foot. There's so many options that you can find to make flowers out, or to make little cards out of children's hands and feet. Also shows how much they may have grown since the last time a grandma or a grandpa has seen them. So now I'm just gonna turn my paper. Of course, if you were doing this with your child, you would have control of their finger. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect, because the idea of coming from a child is that every piece of art does not look the same. It's just the thought that counts. So I'm just kind of making it around. I think I need to make a little bit more. You can do different colors to add in. When I get done, maybe I'll take some orange and put some orange in the middle. But how cute would this be to get in the mail? Just a little card, a homemade card made with love. And you just write something in the middle, and you can put on the back, created by, and put your child's name. Just something special that someone can hold on to during these times of not being able to get out and socialize. I hope you all have a great day.